I'm running at 144 frames per second, but my game is still lagging and freezing and stopping. It's a terrible frame rate. What do I do? It looks like you need to change your refresh rate. Frame rate is how fast your computer runs a certain program or video game. However, refresh rate, which is typically measured in hertz with a capital H and a lowercase z, is how fast your monitor shows what's happening on your computer. All you have to do is click System in Settings, go to the top, right at Display, you'll click that, you'll go down to Advanced, and then right down at the bottom it says refresh rate, and you'll change that to preferably the highest that you can go to. But as you can see, 50 Hertz, it's not as smooth as you want it to be for sure, and if you change it back up to 165, it's a lot smoother. I hope that this video was helpful and that you learned something new about Windows settings, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.